It was only 4 short weeks ago. This bike behind us was a total write-off. This is how it looked. It was destroyed. No one wanted it. We bought it, and now we're adding some bling. Stay tuned. I think I need a bigger garage. So we've got some massive news. What's in this box? Boom, that box right there is our new tank. It's arrived from America. So let's get it out and see how it compares to the old one. Looks like it's the same tank, but it's got minor little differences, and we're gonna have to make it the same. But before we can do any of that, we've got to strip these babies down, which means these protectors have to come off. Well, not this one. These protectors have to come off. The paint's got to come off. We're gonna strip it right back because this tank is going to be polished, brushed alloy. Boom. So let's compare these puppies. They both look identical. They've both got the same rear mounts on them. So those are the same. There, they look identical. We can switch over the pumps. They are identical, so that's good. The front mounts are also identical, which is perfect. However, the side mounts just here is where it differs. Now, the only difference is on the V2 tank, this one here, it's got these little bits just here with the side fairings clip onto. The 959 doesn't have that, so we've got a solution. This is our solution. It's called Steel Weld, and it's basically like an epoxy joiner for steel and metal. So all we've got to do is get our Dremel, cut the old mounts off the old V2 tank, and put them on the old 959 tank. Yeah, that's it.
Siempre andaba buscando el amor de mi vida. Siempre se acaba y se me rompe el corazón.
Okay, note to self, don't do that again next to, I don't know, about $100,000 worth of super bikes. Anyway, we're gonna wait for that cake to bake and gonna start to peel all of this paint off. Whilst that's happening, we're gonna get onto something a bit more blingy, a bit more special. Now you're either gonna love me or hate me, but I may have bought something which I'm pretty sure is not Italian made, and it's a little bit of bling. I don't even know if it's gonna work, but let's see if it looks any good on the bike. And this is what I mean. Shit. Okay, so that didn't go as planned. Now it's got a scratch in it. But basically, carbon brake ducts. What do you reckon? So these are designed to ram air back onto the actual color, not the caliper, sorry, the disc. So the idea is pushes air through the front, rams air onto the disc, cools down the disc. So hard braking situations, you should end up with a cooler disc, thus you get better braking. So we're gonna try and put these on each side and see if they actually do the bike justice. If they don't, drop a comment below, let me know what you think.
Acércate, baby, que quiero sentir tu piel. Ya estás sudando, rompiéndolo. Si se está en pareja, pero hoy vas a ser infiel. Sé que estamos ahí, te puedo ayudar, yeah. El amor a mí me suena ya como un proyecto. Te lo digo directo, pero tenerte en mi cama pa' mí es una razón. Mantenemos viva la ilusión, mami. Préndete, como un feeling sé que ya estoy encendiéndote. Y me relaja cuando sé que voy a estar viéndote. Aunque sé que lo que diga es mentira. Cuando tú me miras, mami, quiero estar sintiéndote. Como un feeling sé que ya estoy encendiéndote. Y me relaja cuando sé que voy a estar viéndote. Aunque sé que lo que diga es mentira. Cuando tú me tiras, mami, quiero
got some reservations about these because like they're just not put together that well. They rely on you putting extensions for the bolts to come out the bottom of the actual shock lower. So your pinch bolts here actually sit exposed, and I don't know what quality bolts they are that they provide you with. So look, they were pretty cheap. I don't know, look, I'll leave them there for a few days. You guys let me know if you want to keep them on. I'll fix them up a little bit better. See how we go. Okay, now I'm covered in red dust, but all I'm gonna do is just give it a wipe down, and then we're gonna apply another layer of the paint stripper. And because we've got pretty much all of the top layer off, the paint stripper should just do the work for us. One quick little suggestion, if you're using a tool like me, make sure you're running it upwards this way. Don't go across because you'll leave lines in your tank. Okay, so whilst that's bubbling away for the second time, why don't we have a look at some of the parts we picked up today. Shout out to a local legend, his name's Sean. He knew I needed a shock and he got in touch with me and hooked me up with the replacement because he knew the one I've got has got grazes all over it. Look at that, it's horrible. So, thank you. Got a replacement ABS sensor for the V4, so that can go over here with the V4 and that can go on next week. Okay, we've got a lot of stuff to go through, guys. I don't even know what half the stuff is that I ordered. Oh yeah! Oh, this is the plastic side guard for over here. This is that. It goes there, I think. Yeah. Okay, brilliant. So that means we can get this all set up. That's awesome. This looks like it's the replacement coil pack. Yep, brilliant. Perfect new coil pack. Like it actually says do not use a knife on the package. Oh. Front wheel nut. And some covers for the front screen. I got a replacement front section for the dash just to go in front of that because it was only $40, so why not? And I've just got to replace the sticker, so I'll just take the sticker off that one and put it on this one. This is the rear seat unit, I think. I could be wrong. This is the under seat replacement fairing. Look at that, that's a radiator mount. A full brand new radiator mount. Thank goodness. And it's just shows how much is missing from the original. I'll show you. Okay, so check that out. That's the full mount just here. And this is everything that was missing. Look at all that section, just completely gone. It's missing all the mounts, you name it. Brilliant. It took me 4 hours. That's actually not too bad, but there's a dent in the tank. in this very cool looking protein bag, well, it looks like a bag of protein that you get from the store, we've got engine protection. So this is probably the easiest part I've ever installed. 4 brand new bolts, all tightened down to 8 Newton meters, and boy does it look good. I know part of it's going to sit under the fairing, but hey, you need it for a race bike. That's it for this video, guys. We've got the tank, well, half done. We'll finish it in the next episode. We've got the engine guard on. We've got the ram ear duct intakes on for the brakes. Heaps more little parts done. I feel like we're getting somewhere. You know, if you like, subscribe. You know the drill. Heaps more to come.